Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today is April 23rd, which is Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. In 5 minutes or less, we will try to cover ARK Invest daily trade of yesterday because the data has finally arrived. In highlights today, we have SKILLZ added 1.2 million extra shares, and the reason people are saying is because there's a short squeeze coming up for SKILLZ, and we all know what happened during GameStop short squeeze. So stay with me to find out the SKILLZ trend and how they have been trading SKILLZ in past as well. And we have Coinbase added extra 251 shares in Coinbase. So they keep adding to this as well. I did a video yesterday about how they have been trading Coinbase and showing the trend of Coinbase and Grayscale Bitcoin both. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, you can watch that video of yesterday. And another highlight is there is a new company added in ARKG. So stay with me to find out which one it is. And please like and subscribe and support this new channel. And I will see you on the other side. Thanks. Hi ARK fans, welcome back. In ARK summary section, we keep an eye on high level numbers like market value. The market value is reaching 49 billion and it is less 0.2% less compared to day before. So it is negative, yes, but not by that much. And overall trend is also a little bit negative, guys. So not looking so good for ARK, huh? We'll take a look at much longer trend to see how that value looks. But for this video, we are keeping it to 2 weeks, around 2 weeks there. Total number of companies that they are diversified in has an uptick. So a new company is added, and we'll go over which company that is. It is in ARKG, and I'll reveal it in just a bit. In terms of total pie of 8 different ETFs, this 49 billion is divided into 8 ETFs, and this is how the share looks. ARKK being the biggest one, followed by genomics, followed by web, fintech, robotics, and autonomous. ARKX is the latest addition that got added in the end of March, and it is already bigger than Israel and Print. In terms of total number of companies ranking, our top 5 that we keep an eye on daily basis remains the same. Let's hover over Tesla just to take a look at it quickly. So they are maintaining the positions compared to day before, but overall you can see they are reducing the shares a little bit. I would say they are trimming Tesla just a little bit to invest in other high growth opportunities, as we have been seeing in past as well. Stock price for Tesla has been a roller coaster since in past few weeks as well, but net going up to $719 and 70 cents for the date range that I have selected. It is not near the all-time high for sure, but yes, it has been ticking upwards slowly, getting back up there. So that's a summary section. In terms of biggest moves, let's take a look at that without wasting much time there. So 5% is the threshold that we have today. So any companies that that increased or reduced shares more than 5% will be shown here. Okta Inc., whose rank is 155, they added 47% extra shares to that position. It has been, so when I hover over it, you'll see the trend of shares, and it has been constant since a long time, and they suddenly are buying a lot more. So there is some probably some information that they have that we don't know, or I don't know at least. And this caused a change of $9.6 million to the fund. Coinbase is another company that I featured yesterday, and you can see that to see how the ranking has been going up. It is 19 rank in their fund now. So it's in the top 20 investments that they have, all ETFs combined. 13% extra shares added, which is 250,000 shares. When I hover over it, you can see it's present in 3 different ETFs, ARKK being the biggest one, and the shares have been trending upward ever since their IPO. And stock price went up a little bit and is going down slowly now. So they're buying the dips. Obviously, they are highly confident in this. And this caused a difference of 38.8 million to the fund. So that's the biggest change from last 2 days. If you look at the change, so the addition of shares is one thing, but how much difference it caused in the fund is another thing, another way to look at it. SKILLZ 1.2 million shares, rank is 63 in all of their investment, and it caused a difference of 18 million. Let's hover over it to see. It's present in 2 different ETFs, ARKW and ARKK, and as you can see, it is ticking upwards. Stock price also going up, and some people are saying it's because of short squeeze. We'll find out how it goes for SKILLZ, whether it shoots up like GameStop or not. Cellcom Israel, again, they're buying more and more, and stock price also ticking upward. It's a penny stock, looks like $3.80 only. So yeah, could be a a good potential there. But look at their ranking. Please keep that in mind as well. Have this information with a grain of salt, because the investment level is very low. It ranks 203 in the 270 companies they are diversified in. So for them, it's peanuts. 0.7 million added there. In terms of negative, you see Thermo Fisher Scientific is the most negative one, that they sold a lot of shares, 8% shares there. Stock price slightly ticking upward, caused a change of 7.7 million. HubSpot is another one where they are reducing the position. I'll hover over these and you can see how it has been changing. E&M Computing and Danel. So that's biggest movement by share count, but let's also see biggest movements by market value. So in that, you'll see that Coinbase, that popped up above as well, is the biggest one. Intellia Therapeutics is another one. See, the difference in shares is not much. It's they're maintaining it pretty much, but the stock price has ticked upwards, and hence it is showing up here. It's number 26 in their all of the investments, and weightage is 1.09 weightage. Caused a difference of 30.5 million. Rest of them are negative. Grayscale Bitcoin that we featured yesterday, causing a difference of 31.7 million. They reduced the position just by a little bit, 0.2% from compared to day before. Stock price ticking downwards. As we all know, the Bitcoin price has been going down more recently, and that's why Grayscale Bitcoin as well is going down. Shopify, again, stock price going down. They are maintaining position. They sold in past, but maintaining compared to day before. Roku, trimming it a little bit as well, their position, investing in growth companies, I guess, or higher growth companies. Square, again, trimming. Tesla also, we just went over in the summary section. In terms of overall picture, this is how it looks, guys. I want to say more red than green, but there are lots of green spots as well. But if you look at the biggest investment of theirs is red, so hence overall is red. So that's overall picture. Let's go over new and removed companies. There is no company that is removed, but there is this new company, Zimmergen, or I'm not sure whether I'm correctly pronouncing it, but Zimmergen, ticker symbol ZY, is added to ARKG. 0.3 million shares added, 11 million value, and at the stock price of $37.65. So that's the new company, guys, that I'm revealing it in the end. Yes, sorry about that, to keep you hanging in there, but that's your daily dose, guys, and hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.